In this video, I'm going to show you an amazing toilet paper hack that will freshen up your entire bathroom. Would you believe that a lowly roll of TP could steal the show and be the star of a video, specifically this one? Yes, that is the case. Sure, there are plenty of ways to make a bathroom smell better, but this hack comes straight from the airlines, as this is what flight attendants do to keep airplane bathrooms fresh and their passengers comfortable. Every time you change out for a new roll of toilet paper, take the time to put 2 to 6 drops of your favorite essential oil inside the roll right on that cardboard. The citrusy scents are the best because they can easily overpower bad smells, and using essential oils to freshen up your home really is handy. They give you a nice natural scent and are typically more potent and effective than a lot of your fake home scent products. This trick will keep your bathroom smelling great around the clock, especially when it's time to do your business, as the citrus scent will reactivate every time you unwind that roll, and it will last you until you've exhausted every last square of your toilet tissue. If you like this video, please boop the like button for me, and check out this video where I show you what happens when you wear a sock on your hand.